Welcome back to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today, I want to share with you Japanese New Year's Eve soba noodles. In Japanese, Toshi Koshi Soba. Toshi means year, Koshi means crossing over. So, it is the soba noodle soup eat at just before midnight. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the prawn. Pull out the vein. Peel the shell off with the tail attached. Cut off the tip of the tail and remove the water inside to prevent from the hot oil scattering all over. Make a cut diagonally on the very side, about 5 mm in depth. Then, stretch the prawn by breaking the muscle. Bend the prawn to the bent side until you hear the creaking sound. Pat dry and keep in the fridge until used. Cut mitsuba leaves 2-inch lengths. Put your flour, preferably cake flour, into a bowl. Add potato starch or cornstarch to make the batter crispy. Make a well in the center. Add in mayonnaise and add icy cold water and mix thoroughly. Heat the oil up to 180 Celsius. Dust with flour to stick the butter. Drop the butter into the oil and it flows to the surface immediately. It is ready. Coat the prawn with the butter, then slide into the oil. Scatter the rest of the butter if you can, then it looks like very professional. Don't touch with your chopsticks before the outside is cooked. After 3 to 4 minutes or the butter becomes crispy and the bubbles are smaller, it's done. Take out onto a rack. Deep fry the rest of the butter to make tenkasu, the crunchy bit of tempura butter. Do you remember that we use this for okonomiyaki? Next, let's prepare the soba dashi. Put your bonito flakes into hot water and boil for 7 to 8 minutes. Take off the scum to make the dashi clear. Pass through a sieve and add the seasonings. Set aside until used. Thick bonito flakes makes intense dashi that is a good match for soba noodles. Let's assemble. Boil the soba noodles according to the package instruction. I recommend to boil shorter time to achieve al dente texture cause it's going to be in hot noodle soup. Transfer to a Japanese bowl as much as you need. Pour piping hot soba noodle soup. If you like to enjoy crispy tempura, serve separately. If you like the soft butter, absorbed dashi, serve topped with tempura. Garnish with mitsuba leaves and there you have the Toshi Koshi Soba noodle soup. Dashi contains good amount of amino acid to restore your health at the end of the year. Take some good sleep and you will start a fresh new year. Actually, you can eat this at any time of year. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious Japanese recipes. Please visit my website for more information and tips. Go to my store on Amazon to check what I am using in the video. It's open 24/7. The profit is going to be giveaway. I wish you will have a wonderful new year and I will catch you again in a week. Bye!